Thinking of Metaplex, just another NFT minting tool on Solana, right? Maybe you even remember it as the launchpad for Trump's meme coin. Wrong. What if I told you Metaplex is 10x bigger than you think?
What if I showed you how it's quietly dominating on-chain economies, powering startups and fusing AI with NFTs?
Buckle up, because what you're about to see will change how you think about blockchain. Ready? Let's go! I ran an analytical due diligence on Metaplex, and numbers speak for themselves. Metaplex is thriving. More than 12 million tokens issued, with a record 1.8 million in January 2025. In the same month, Metaplex Earn launched, tripling Metaplex liquidity to $7.7 million. Metaplex employs active deflation mechanism and has generated over $27 million in earnings. This isn't just another NFT platform.
It's an economic engine.
And why developers and startups are choosing Metaplex? Metaplex is investing in the ecosystem. 50% of protocol fees fund grants, hackathons, and startup development. Metaplex actively promotes projects via its Spotlight series. Case study: Arceus Citadel, a DSS educational quest that went viral, expected 20k NFT mints, but demand hit 396k players, forcing server expansion in just 48 hours. In January 25, Metaplex rolled out the Aura performance upgrade. Less than 100 millisecond asset indexing, 100-fold increase in throughput, now handling 1600 RPS, making it ideal for high-performance applications. And what about AI booming in Web3? AI and blockchain are merging, and Metaplex is at the center of it all. Forget static NFTs. Metaplex is turning them into autonomous AI agents. Let's break it down into key developments. Solana Agent Kit. AI-powered NFTs can analyze market trends, adjust pricing, and bid on auctions, but they couldn't own assets yet. Eliza Framework and Execute. NFTs become fully autonomous AI agents. They can now own assets, manage DeFi strategies, and even invest. Sana AI Ecosystem. Sana turns NFTs into self-learning AI agents. AI agents are on-chain, sign transactions, manage assets, and execute tasks without you lifting a finger. Traders can encode strategies into NFTs, creating unique AI-driven trading assets that can be sold or leased. The smarter the AI agent, the higher its demand and value. Alright, that's everything for today. But here is the thing. Even major tech shifts create winners and losers. Some of them will ride this wave and build the future, and some of them will ignore it and get left behind. Which side are you on?